If we look on our leg sub-assembly, we've already made our 2 long legs and our 2 short legs. We also have this part number 3, which is our triangle support, or our scrap piece of material. What this is going to be is later on, once we have our side assembly and our bottom of our box is actually going to be attached into each one of the triangle supports. So there's 4 corners, so we need 4 of them, and those are found on your short legs, or your leg size I'd have here. We look up here for the call. It's a 3" by 3" and just a simple 45°. Now, since it's just scrap material and they're just going to be support and they're going to be located underneath your box, you don't necessarily need to have a perfect 3 by 3 triangle. What you can do is go over to the wood pile and grab some stock, about 3 inches. If I go like this, this is a little bit bigger than 2.5, so it's not exactly 3, but for this purpose it'll work. Again, it's just scrap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to square up one end, and then all I'm going to do is just make a series of cuts that ends up getting triangles. Okay? And the reason why I want to leave this long is so that I have something to hold on to. And so all I'm going to do is make 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts after I've squared the end. So it's just a simple 45 straight, 45 straight, 45 straight. And again, you want to leave it long so that you have extra material to hold on to. So there's my squaring cut. Next I'm going to turn it to 45 degrees, and all I'm going to do is just eyeball it. So there's one cut, back to 90, flip it over. There's 2, back to 45, and back to 90. So then, since this piece gets kind of small, I can just throw that in the scrap bin, since it'd be kind of dangerous for everyone else to hold. But you can see that here, I have my scrap pieces. It's about 3/4 of an inch thick. This board's a little thinner, and it turned out to be a little less than 3 by 3. But something about this size should work.